welcome to my Himesaka Nendoroid unboxing. This is one of the 3 Nendoroids that I got in my mystery box. You can check that out in the link in the description or in my unboxings playlist. Let's open this girl on up. You can pause and look at the instruction manual if you'd like. Look at this cute girl. Adorable accessories. Look at her. I love her hair. And her facial expression she comes with is too cute. I was so surprised by these. I love it. And the mischievous face is probably my favorite. Adorable book bag with a cute charm. The book bag goes on really nicely. Comes with a miniature headband, a little manga panel, a mini bunny phone that I thought was super adorable. Really good detailing on it. Comes with multiple hands and arm pieces. And here's how I posed her. Really cute. And I like how the stand goes into the book bag, so it's really easy to pose. I hope you enjoyed my unboxing and have a lovely day.